Hello, I am Dr. Prashant Kumar. Most of the medical professionals use Microsoft Word to compile and edit their medical documents. The problem arises whenever we use a medical terminology, the Microsoft Word shows it by red color line, and we have to add the medical terminology by adding it on the medical dictionary or the default dictionary. I will give you a solution to this problem. I will tell you how to install a medical dictionary in your Microsoft Word so that all the medical terminologies are included in the dictionary of the Microsoft Word, and you will get rid of this problem forever. Let us begin. Now I will show how to add the medical dictionary into Office 2010. I have opened a Word document with many medical terminologies. You can see that all the terminologies which are correctly spelled are showing red color underlines. These all spellings are correct, but it is showing as red color underline. The reason is that the default dictionary of the Microsoft Word is not showing these as correct spelling. To rectify this problem, I have to add the medical dictionary into the Office Word. First I have to open File, then go to Options, then go to Proofing, then go to the Custom Dictionary, and I have already added the medical dictionary, so I will just check it. Otherwise we can add and take that file from where you have saved it. For example, I have saved on the desktop, or I have saved on other folders such as here, and I have saved on medical dictionary, and this is the medical dictionary file which is saved here. I have to select it and open. I have already used this and added to my Word document, so I will not reopen it, otherwise there will be two files available there. So I will cross it and I will check it and then OK and then OK. Now you can see that all the medical terminologies are showing as correctly spelled. The reason is that now the Office 2010 is recognizing these words as correctly spelled. When we prepare a medical document, there are so many medical terminologies which are shown as incorrectly spelled. The reason is that the default dictionary of Office 2010 or the higher version does not recognize it as correctly spelled. So by adding the medical dictionary on your desktop in Word 2010 or higher versions, you can be very sure that these are correctly spelled, and you don't have to go to the other websites such as Google to check the spelling. I will provide you a link to download the medical dictionary. First of all, you download the medical dictionary, the dic file on the desktop, and then open a document and then add here options, and then go to the proofing, custom dictionary, and add and take that medical dictionary from your location and add it to your Word, and that's it. Thanks for watching.